There seems to be a deep pit ahead. Let's check it out. A cute little rabbit accidentally fell into the pit. The sound of bells suggests someone is coming. It's a lovely child passing by on a bicycle. The little boy went to seek help after seeing this. He brought back an excavator. We need a vehicle to rescue the little rabbit. The vehicle has arrived. Great. The cute rabbit was successfully rescued. Let's get a bulldozer to fill the pit and prevent other animals from falling in.